Hey guys, this is Tabor here with MarineMax Lake Lanier. Today we are showcasing the new Sylvan X-1 Platinum package, and this is a beautiful boat. One of the main new features for this year in 2027 is the fiberglass panels. These are actually made in-house at the Sylvan Smokercraft plant. They're able to put these panels on these boats at a much lower production cost than its competitors because of their in-house fiberglass plant they use for the Starcraft deck boats. So moving on this boat, some of the big features that we have are the lily pad ladder, which allows for really nice step-on, step-off access. All you have to do is pop this harness, drop the ladder, and you have nice wide rungs that don't impale your foot arches as you're climbing up, and also has a nice angle. Makes it easy for people of any age, pets, whoever, to climb out of the boat. And when you're done, you just put the harness back on and you're good to go. We have dual entry gates on this boat, so it allows you to access the swim platform from both sides. Also new in 27, which is a really nice feature, is you have the multi-tiered lounger right here. So it can be like this, or it can pop down and be a full bed, or you can take it and you can have these edges right here come up and fold down on both sides. You can make it a taco style, or you can have it facing the front. Also on the boat, we have a ski locker, two high back captain's chairs with the Sylvan honeycomb imprints on the backrest of it. Really, this boat is a very high-end, high-tiered boat with a great look, but it comes at an affordable price point. Most boats that have this fiberglass styling can be well over $130,000, $140,000, but we're half that almost. So we have a lot of value for the money in a higher tier boat with a great warranty. Come by and check it out. We'll get you on the water today.